First question. Is there a significant relationship between the explicitness of lyrics about women in new Pinoy rap songs and the overall portrayal of women in those songs? So our data gathered, we have a 5 rap songs. We have X, which is explicitness of lyrics. We have 28, 26, 14, 8, and 7. And about the Y, which is overall portrayal of women. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Our scatter plot is interpretation moderately high negative correlation. So our correlation coefficient formula is we have x, y, x to the power of 2, y to the power of 2, x multiplied by y. So atong x and y is mo ni siya ang atong data gather. So na naman to, itong 28, 26, 14, 8, and 7. Sa ato pong y is itong 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. So, ang atong x to the power of 2, i-multiply na to. So, 28 times 28 is 784. So, 26 times 26 is 676. 14 times 14 is 196. Then, 8 times 8 is 64. And 7 times 7 is 49. So, ang katong x to the power of 2 is atong i-add na. So, 784 plus 676 plus 196 plus 64 plus 49 is equal 1,769. Y to the power of 2 is ato ya po siya ikaduhon i-multiply. Same magyapon sa x to the power of 2. So, 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So, ato i-add ang x to the power, y to the power of 2. So, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 equals 16. So, kanida yung x, y, ato rin siya i-multiply. X times y. So, 26 times 1, 28. XY is ato ni siyang i-multiply. 28 times 1 is 28. 26 times 2 is 52. 14 times 3 is 42. 8 times 1 is 8. Then 7 times 1 is 7. So, ato ya po siya total. 28 plus 52 plus 42 plus 8 plus 7 equals 137.
So we are now here in the test hypothesis, which consists of 5 steps. First steps. We have here our null hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between the explicitness of lyrics about women in the new Pinoy rap songs and the overall portrayal of women in those songs. The alternative hypothesis is consist of there is a significant relationship between the explicitness lyrics about women in new Pinoy rap songs and the overall portrayal of women in those songs. We are here now at the second step. We have our significance level here is 0.05 and we have our two-tailed test and we have here a sample size which is 5 and person range which is 0.05. So we are now here in the step 3 which is the test statistics and I'm going to show you how to solve it. Okay, here first. The first is you're going to write the formula which is person range, which is the R, the square root of n is our sample size, minus 2. The 2 is given over 1 minus person range, and then the second one, which is you're going to evaluate it or substitute, which is d comp equals 0.05, which is our level of significance, and then the 5 is the 5 songs that we select minus 2, which is this one, it's the given, over 1 minus 0.05, which is the range, equals 0.08. The 0.08 is, you're just going to square out this one, and then the answer is 0.08. We are here now on the step 4, which is the critical value. Here go. The DF means decrease of freedom, equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. The 5 is the music that we select, which is 5 minus 2 is given, equals 3. We have here a level of significance, which is 0.05, which consists of, in the T table, is 2-tailed test, and T critical equals positive, negative 2.353. We are now here in the last step, which is the conclusion. The conclusion is, since the T value of 0.08 is greater than the critical T value of 2.353, we reject the null. Therefore, there is a significant relationship between the explicitness of lyrics about women in new Pinoy rap songs and the overall portrayal of women in those songs.
Good afternoon everyone. Ang una na to buhaton din ani is multiply na to ang 5 sa 137. So ang answer na to dana is 685, no? Tas sunod na to dani ibuhaton is i-times na to ang 83 times 8. So ang answer is 664. So direta sa ubos. I-times gyapon nato siya. Ang 5 times 1,769. So ang answer is 8,845. So ang pikas kay 83 to the power of 2 man siya. So ang answer na is 6,889. So human na to dana no is minus na to siya. Ang ibabaw una. So 685 minus 664. So ang answer is 21. So ang ubos na sad 8,845 minus 6,889. So ang answer na to dana is 1,956. So human na ato silang i-divide. So ang answer na nato, ang final answer nato is ang 0.0107362. The regression equation formula dani is y equals a plus bx. So ibutang na to siya dani no, y equals 1.42 plus 1.01. The regression equation for predicting the explicitness of lyrics about women in new Pinoy rap songs and the overall portrayal of women in those songs is y equals 1.42 plus 1.01x.